So today, somebody gets to tell their friends that they won a brand new gaming computer. And it is about darn time, because this thing has been here for a while. So 2 months ago, I built this computer right here to serve as the next giveaway computer on my channel, and to give this thing away to one lucky person. Now, the rules to enter were so easy. All you needed to do was be a member of the PC Rehab Discord server, and you were automatically entered to win this beauty and put it on your desk. So out of the 1,524 members in my Discord server, only one is gonna win this computer today. Now, I have been debating with myself for a few weeks now, trying to come up with the best way to pick a winner for this computer, something that was a little bit more entertaining than just running a random generator and coming up with one name that seemed a little boring. So I figure instead of just running a random generator, coming up with one name and announcing it, we would have a race. Now, for obvious reasons, I can't get everyone together to run track for my amusement, but what I did think we could do was play a round of Marbles on Steam. Marbles on Steam is a game where I can assign player names to marbles, then start a race where they will race through an elaborate maze and a bunch of obstacles until one person crosses the finish line, and that person can call this computer their own. And because I thought it would be an absolute blast to have a pretty large race, I ran the random name generator 70 times out of the over 1,500 Discord members to come up with 70 semifinalists for this race. Now, 70 players is a lot for one race, so what I will do is I will put all of the semifinalists up on the screen now so that you can pause this video and see if your name made the list for this race. Now, just in case you forgot, the computer that everyone is competing for today does have a Ryzen 5 5600X, a 6700 GPU, it does have a 240mm radiator, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte of NVMe storage, and this computer right here can handle any game that is out right now. Plus, it's free. Did I mention that? Now, this part right here is typically where I would love to be showing you a sneak peek into the next computer that you could possibly win, but I am in the process of moving states. So rather than build a computer or have all the components and possibly have them get damaged during the move, I would rather build our next giveaway computer once I'm settled in my new house in Florida. But now that we've covered everything, it is time to go ahead and jump into my computer here so that we can find out who is going to win the Shadow PC. All right, so we are inside of my system now, and it is just about time to start this race. Now, all 70 semifinalists have been assigned a marble, and everyone is going to compete to try and win. Now, what's gonna happen is everyone's going to drop down, and then it will start to sort them out, and then we will start the track, and we will find who the winner will be for this beautiful computer right here. I'm really excited to see who is going to win. So let's go ahead and start this race now. I am so pumped up. All right, so everybody is falling in the beginning. That'll jumble everybody up so that we can see who is gonna land first. Looks like Drips55 is first, followed by Donk2. And then they're splitting us all up here. So it looks like Mr. Donut is now in first place. Yep, Mr. Donut is in first place now. Still, Donk2 is keeping up. Mr. Drips is right on Mr. Donut, but it looks like Donk2 is actually pulling ahead. Now, there is some obstacles down here. They both got through them. Oh, but Drips and Mr. Oh, no, what is happening? Drips went the wrong way. Mr. Donut still in first place. Drips lost control, went backwards. Oh no. Well, Mr. Donut is still there. Let's see if he gets hung up on these rocks here. Nope, he made it through the first obstacle there. All right, so not hung up on the rocks at all. Mr. Donut and Unrizzler going at it neck and neck. Now, there is still quite a bit more of this map to go, so it's really anybody's game. So let's see, there's some more rock debris here. Let's see what happens. Mr. Donut get caught up, or does he make it through? Oh no, he got caught up. Mr. Donut got caught up. Unrizzler He's in there, and Sahir is there too. Oh, Sahir is taking over. Mr. Donut is still holding on though, even though he got stuck on those rocks. Now what we're coming up on these little Hershey's Kisses here, and they should be, Mike said, I don't care about chocolate. I'm going right past it. Those Hershey's Kisses aren't for me. Now look at the lead that Mike has. All right, so there is some more debris here that he can get snagged up on. Does he? No, right through it. Doesn't even care about those at all, Mike. Mike's going backwards too. Oh my goodness. Cyber Redneck, Sahir. Cyber Redneck is now in first. KK's close as well. Sahir following behind. Leo Plays came out of nowhere. Where has he been this whole race? We got some more Hershey's Kisses. Does Cyber Redneck get snuck? Oh, he got stuck up a little bit on it. Leo Plays. Oh, everybody's kind of making... Cyber Redneck is still in first. Okay, so we've still got Cyber Redneck, Sahir, and then Leo Plays. KK's moving a little slow over there. Let's go, let's go. We got... Okay, so there's some rock debris here. Oh, he got stuck, Sahir's stuck too. Leo Plays just jumped him all. Leo Plays is in first place again. Leo, buddy, you might be the winner. What is going on? Okay, so we got these little snowflakes over here. They do little circle thing. You can get caught up on them. Let's see what happens. Let's see if Leo can get through that and stay in first place. Seems like he's doing a pretty good job at it. Let's see. Yep, Leo Plays is still in first place. It looks like he might be the winner. Master Wolf is there too though, and he's moving quick. Maybe Leo gets stuck here. There is some debris. Does he get stuck? No, he does not get stuck. Leo Plays is still in first place. Oh no, Leo, you're going the wrong way, dude, no! Cyber Redneck just hit you. Leo Plays, Cyber Redneck is in first. Cyber Redneck might win. Mr. Donut, Tamshons, oh my God, where did you guys come from? Mr. Donut is in first, and this is the end of the race right here. Mr. Donut has won the Shadow PC. This is Mr. Donut's computer. Congratulations, man. That is wonderful. What a race. I thought for sure Leo was gonna take it, but Mr. Donut out of nowhere takes control. Now we are just letting the rest of the players and the contestants fall in, and then at the end of it we will have a breakdown and you will get to know where you fell in the list of the 70 people and what place you had. Now that was an absolute blast. Leo came out of nowhere. I didn't even see his name for the first half of this race, and then just right at the end, that's such tough luck. But Mr. Donut reigns supreme. He was leading in the beginning. It only makes sense that he came back to win it all afterward. Mios is moving slow here, buddy. You're holding up the whole party. All right, well, we've got to see who the final results are. Let's go ahead and take a look at the standings for everybody. Mr. Donut, obviously first. Everyone is here. I don't believe anyone can be disqualified by falling and dying in this race, so everyone has finished. What a tremendous show. What an absolutely crazy race, but congratulations to Mr. Donut on winning the Shadow computer right here. I will be reaching out to Mr. Donut on my Discord server, so he is going to need to pay attention to that. If for some reason I cannot get in touch with that gentleman, I will move to the second place and so on and so forth until this prize is claimed. Now, if you did find this video entertaining, please consider joining the channel. We do competitions like this often, and I would love to have you as part of the PC Rehab community. And for one of the last times in this office right here, I hope that no matter where you are in the world, you are having the most fantastic day. And I'll see you in the next video.